Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss the last peripheral parasympathetic ganglion, that is the submandibular ganglion. This small fusiform shaped ganglion is lying on the hyoglossus muscle, and you can observe it being marked by the orange color and is present along the angle of your jaw. Resting, as I mentioned, on the hyoglossus muscle. You can see the fibers of the hyoglossus muscles, and this ganglion is basically suspended from the two rootlets-like branches of the lingual nerve. And then we have to see the other picture as well. In this picture you can see the submandibular ganglion and the lingual nerve that is giving the small branch like two divisions, two rootlets like these, anterior and posterior, joining to the submandibular ganglion, and the fibers from the ganglion are reaching to the submandibular gland in this picture. Now concentrate in this picture that you are looking into the facial nerve, which is the 7th cranial nerve, and this is the nerve which originates from the pons through the superior salivatory nucleus, and this superior salivatory nucleus is supposed to take preganglionic fibers, and they are supposed to pass through the facial nerve. And you can very well see that the facial nerve is giving rise to a branch known as chorda tympani, and now fibers are supposed to pass through this chorda tympani and then through the lingual nerve that is being marked in the yellow color as well. Now they have to reach this fusiform shape submandibular ganglion that is present at the angle of your jaw. Now you can see fibers from here are supposed to reach, which are postganglionic, supposed to reach the submandibular gland and the sublingual gland. Now, after discussing the motor route or parasympathetic route we discussed along with the previous picture, in this very diagram you are supposed to look into the superior cervical sympathetic ganglion, because we want to learn now about the sympathetic route which is derived from it, and they are going to form, these fibers are supposed to form the plexus around the branches of the external carotid artery, and that is the facial artery around which the plexus is formed. And from here postganglionic fibers are supposed to pass through the ganglion, submandibular ganglion, without relay, and they are vasomotor in nature to the both glands, the sublingual and the submandibular gland. And now we also learned that the sensory route basically is also a branch of a lingual nerve, and information from the tongue, which are general sensory, are supposed to reach towards your brain. Lingual nerve, you know, is the branch of the trigeminal nerve, and the chorda tympani, you know, is the branch of the facial nerve. So you see, in all these 4 parasympathetic ganglia, the branches of the trigeminal nerve are being used as a road or a motorway for the fibers to reach their destination. So that was about the submandibular ganglion. Hope you will learn them very well. Now it's all okay.